I have a diamond cut London broil. I marinated it in bullseye barbecue sauce and adobo sauce. I was like, oh, that's going to be good. And that's a nice piece of meat. So, got my blue diamond pan, wait for it. It is sizzling away in the back. Starting to get the almost burny. What color, look at that. Move it around a little. Don't worry about that burning. Alright, I'm going to try to cover that. And wait for it. I don't want this to all go to waste, so we're going to put this on top. And back on the stove. Alright, wait for it. Just finished cooking it. Let it sit for a while. We're going to get rid of some of that fat that accumulated. That over there is what I plan on cutting it in. We're going to let it cool. Trying to get rid of some of that fat. Look how much of that juice. Wait for it. Alright. Try to get rid of all of it. Oh man, it's hot. Get rid of the other side. Look at that beautiful color on there. Alright. There is so much flavor in there and we got to get rid of it. So I'm making a mess everywhere. Alright. We're done. It's going to cool off a little longer. And I'm wait for it. I have another video I'm making, so this is going to come another 10 minutes and then we're going to cut it. Yummy. I have a diamond cut London broil. Look at all those juices. Perfectly cooked. Slide it over that way. Sharpen my serrated knife and wait for it.